Alright, what is up everyone? Here is a quick guide on how to remove the background of a logo on Canva. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new design here, and we're just going to make a logo design. And from here you want to click upload, and you want to make sure that you have your file uploaded. You can drag and drop it here, or you can click upload files to upload it. Then we're just going to drag it on over, and we are going to right click it and set the image as the background. And then after setting it as the background, we are going to click it again, and then we're going to go over to BG Remover up top. Just a note, you do need Canva Premium for this, but once you click BG Remover, it will remove the background, and now the background will be white. Now if you want to make it transparent, all you have to do is hit share at the top right, go to download, and then click on transparent background under PNG. It has to be a PNG file, and click download. Now the file will download, and when you open it up, it will be a logo with a transparent background. That's it, and have a good day.